seconds till market open. Yep, do expect a pop. Let's see. We do have on the 15-minute chart these levels over here. Yeah, I think this is going to be a fader.
Order filled.
So if it pops and spikes above here, we know our thesis is wrong. Opening dry break.
Order filled.
Okay, a little too early. Opening dry break fail. Okay, we're gonna see if we can fade this Reddit move. Yeah, that was our signal. Tons of selling here. Got defended and just the gradual fade away. Alright, let's see if we can get a move like that again today. Okay, pre-market high break retest. Adobe's getting smacked. Reddit is very interesting. Very, very interesting. Let's see. Today we'll have to be a little bit more patient. Right now we're still inside the zone unless we get above pre-market high or pre-market low. I'm not going to put on any trades. We have Reddit and open here. HUD. Prior bar highs. Intraday. This 102.50 level is pretty interesting. 102.50. See if this level is meaningful. That's the line I'm looking at. Yeah, let's put it on. Nice. Okay. See if we can get pre-market high break retest.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. We'll double our positions there, double up. True stop loss is all the way down here. Okay, it's our stop loss. We're done for the day. We sized up for this pre-market. Is there news that happened? No, no news.
Order filled.
Okay. Done for the day. That's it, guys. Okay, stop loss at 938. Yeah. Yep. So now we'll look to see if we can have some swing positions. Back to the original thesis. Touching midnight open. Really just a pop and fade. Yeah, I think even if I wanted to go long on that move, that wasn't the play. That was not the play. Let's go with a 1 hour chart. Yeah, throughout the week we're in Zone City. See what news does. There's no spike down. Awesome. Yeah, perfect, awesome. Alright guys, we're gonna be closing up the stream. 2 losses a day, we're done. As far as this futures account looks like, it's another L, but we are establishing the process so that we can establish proper habits so that when the time is upon us, we are ready to take advantage, put the profits in our pocket. Because right now I have a lot of different things going on in terms of kind of over trading, feeling like I need to be in the trade. In terms of strategies, I definitely do have maybe 2, 3, and maybe 1 or 2 swing strategies with kind of the longer term outlook. So that's definitely going on there. Yep. So I trade break retests of pre-market highs, pre-market lows. I trade an opening range break. I really think that's kind of where I need to establish my footing. Those resonate the best with me. You can see that I took the stop loss really quickly here. That's actually the first time I've seen it done since I've been tracking it in the last since I've been actively trading it in the last 2 weeks. Of course, in the past, that has been going on forever, but first time in the trade where I took the short position and it instantly reversed the next minute. Typically, we have at least another minute of follow through, and for a maximum time of around 8 minutes. So, like as you can see here, yep. So we've reached the apex of this climb at 9:35, and then we see the decline. I would say this chart is atypical. We just kind of literally bounced up and down. Yep, now we're on the rally side. Yeah, this is a difficult chart for me to trade. I was definitely okay with taking some size here. Yeah. It's definitely okay with that. Okay guys, I'm going to be closing up the live stream. Thank you all for tuning in. I guess the remainder of the time I'm going to be doing is kind of making sure I see the most profitable setup that I should have been looking at in the day. Now I'll just kind of do some note taking, do some research, and we'll go from there. Oh man, I would have got wiped out again if I went long, but I had no strategy to go long. Yeah. Okay, pretty low break retest. And this is the orb below now. Can it break down? Nope, it cannot. It's still in the range. Alright guys, closing it up. Yeah, let's just watch what this next candle does. Because right now it is not cooperating. If it still goes up, orb is still not even in play, even after a couple. So right now it's leaning towards orb shorts, but so far, chop, chop, chop. If this does not reverse, tough Thursday morning. Let's see, will it touch here at 460 or get to 495 first? We do have a lot of buying at that level. And the answer is $4.95. Okay. Tough market for me to trade today. Was definitely not there. I should definitely walk away. Still interested in this Reddit play. I can wait another 15 minutes to see how this 15-minute candle plays out. But typically I'm looking for, what am I looking for? Yeah, typically, ideally, I would see something like that form, and then know to fade it. Alright guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Stay smart, trade safe.